Welcome. Today we are going to look at History Paper 1, Question and Answers, Section A, 25 marks. Number 1, state 3 reasons for the migration of the Abagusi into their present homeland by 1800 AD. To search for pasture and water for their animals, conflicts with their neighbors, population pressure, natural disasters, for example diseases, drought and famine. 5. Spirit of adventure. 2. What was the main significance of circumcision in some Kenyan societies? It signified passage into adulthood. 3. Name the treaty that retained British East African Protectorate as a British territory. The 1890 Anglo-German Agreement, that is the Heligoland Treaty. Number 4. Give the main reason why the British colonial government encouraged West settlers to come to Kenya: to raise revenue for the British administration through farming. Number 5. State 2 ways in which trade unions assist their members. They negotiate the improvement of wages of members. They present their members' grievances to the heirs. Number 6. State 2 results of the establishment of independent churches in Kenya during the colonial period. African cultural practices and beliefs were incorporated into the Christian church. Give African clergy leadership opportunities in the church. More Africans were trained as clergy. Accelerated the spread of Christianity. Led to the establishment of independent schools. Number 7. Identify the incidents that prompted the declaration of the state of emergency in Kenya in October 1952. The murder of senior chief Warihu, who was considered as a collaborator. 8. State 1 political impact of the African Elected Members Organization, IMO. Replacement of Leteton Constitution by the Lennox-Boyd Constitution. Seats for elected Africans in the LECO were increased to 14 from 8. 9. State the aim of the first All-African People Conference in which Tom Mboya served as a chairman. The decolonization of Africa. 10. Name the law which helps to regulate Harambee fundraising. The Public Officers Ethics Act of 2003. 11. Define the term citizenship. Legal right that a person has to belong to a particular country. 12. Define the term democracy. It is a system of government where supreme power rests with the people. 13. State 3 characteristics of human rights. They are universal. They are indivisible, that is inseparable. All have responsibilities and limitations. 14. State any 3 functions of the president as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Appoints senior military officers. Receives the oath of loyalty pledged by members of the disciplined forces. Inspects the guard of honor mounted by the armed forces. Declares war or peace. 15. State 2 military functions of the armed forces in Kenya. Assist civilians during natural calamities. Construction of roads, bridges, wells. 13. The public during national celebration. Question 16. State the main challenge facing the police department today. Increased crime rate. Section B, 45 marks. 17A. The Luo entered Kenya in 4 main groups. Name 3 of them. Joka Owini, Joka Omolo, Luo Abasuba. 17B. Describe the political organization of the Luo during the pre-colonial period. 1. The Luo were organized into clans. A clan was composed of a number of families with a common ancestry. 2. A number of clans occupied territorial unit, the Gweng. 3. Each Gweng was an independent political unit. It was headed by a council of elders. The Council of Elders administered justice and was the final court of appeal. Members of the council performed political as well as ritual functions. They presided over religious ceremonies and could declare war and negotiate peace. Several Gwang formed a sub-tribe. Each sub-tribe was headed by the council of elders of the sub-tribes. So when the council of elders of the sub-tribe dealt with such major issues as boundary disputes, external invasions, and internal clan conflicts, they had a system of chieftainism, that is the rule of 18A. What is the economic reasons encouraged the British to colonize Kenya during the 19th century? To establish reliable markets for their manufactured goods, to establish sources for their industrial raw materials for industries in Britain, to control the cost in order to safeguard their trade with the East, to stop the slave trade and establish legitimate trade, to find areas to invest surplus capital. B. Explain 6 ways through which colonial government promoted settler farming. European settlers were provided with large tracts of land, which were inherited from Africans through various land ordinances. 2. The introduction of forced labor on European farms ensured steady supply of cheap labor for the settlers. The introduction of the Kipande system ensured that the Africans remained in employment. The Scottish system ensured that the Africans residing in the settler farms had small plots where they practiced subsistence farming. 5. Forced settlement of Africans in overcrowded and unproductive reserves forced them to seek wage employment in settler farms. 6. Africans were forbidden from growing some cash crops and keeping exotic animals to produce them to seek wage employment in settler farms. 7. The establishment of African reserves in remote and underdeveloped areas to deprive them of market for their produce. 8. Introduction of payment of taxes and cash forced Africans to seek employment in settler farms. 9. The Notary Circulars of 1914 and 1980 required all chiefs to supply a number of labor recruiters for settler farms and government projects. 10. The government offered credit facilities to settlers to develop farming. 11. Establishment of agro-based industries created ready market for their produce. 12. The government encouraged settlers to form cooperatives for effective in marketing for their produce. 13. The development of transport and communication system facilitated farming. 14. The government ensured protection to the settlers against possible African rebellion. 19A. Identified 3 political and social organizations that were founded in Kenya in 1930s. Taita Youth Association, Okamba Members Association, Coast African Association. B. Discuss the achievements of political and social organizations up to 1940. 1. In 1921, the Young Kavirodo Association presented grievances to the colonial government. As a result, recruitment camps in Nyanza were disbanded the same year. Pressure from the Young Kavirodo Association led to a reduction in poll and hard taxes from 10 to 8 rupees per year. 3. The Kavirondo Taxpayers and Welfare Association was responsible for the improvement of the social welfare of its members in both education and hygiene. 4. In 1922, the East African Association organized the Duku riots. The riots revealed to the world the harshness of British rule. Britain recalled the governor, Sir Northern, and replaced him with Sir Robert Corridon. During the Devonshire talks that followed, African interests were represented by a missionary, Dr. Arthur. The Domshire White Paper of 1923 asserted the paramountcy of African interest and shattered the settler dream of minority rule. 5. In the 1930s, the Kikuyu Central Association came out in support of independent church